All right, you Chrysler fans. You got a Chrysler Pacifica. This is the only thing they build it. And it's electric. You know. Yeah. It is electric. I'll do it for you, sweetheart. And yeah, they offering the best they can. I mean, what can Chrysler do? You got a third row back there. Nice seating, if that's what you're into. And then you have your, oh yeah, it's moving back sweet. Let's see. Oh my God, we got leg room. Oh, it feels so good. And this is a minivan. It's basically loaded for electric, you know. Oh, boy, it feels so good to sit down. Yeah, I had the Chicago Auto Show, but this thing is really nice in here. Really nice, but I'm just trying to figure out where the range is on this thing. Because as I've been saying, you need to know the range. Because I didn't see any information. Maybe it's outside somewhere, but this thing is nice. Well, we get on now so some people that can get in it. Let's look at the rear of it. Chrysler Pacifica. Hybrids. Electric hybrid. And it's the only thing they got, man. They're down to minivans and they only got one. Yeah, there you go. Let those seats down. You have your luggage space. This is a trip, man. What happened to Chrysler? I never would have thought they would have been in this type of trouble. At least they got something to work on. You got this white one over here, and it's got the blacked out grille. It might be just the base model. You know, you go from something like this to that over there. But yeah, Chrysler's only got two vehicles, or one vehicle, and it's Pacifica. Wow. Never thought I would have seen that happen with Chrysler. The many cars they had, now you don't have nothing for them. Well, let's see what the price is since we're here. Total price for this vehicle is $51,000. I'm pretty sure with all the add-ons and whatnot, it's going to, look at that, 22 miles per gallon. So I'm pretty sure with all the add-ons, options, you can get this thing. It's got some nice leather, but it's sturdy as heck, man. It hurt my hand. More than enough plastic in there. All right, so much for the Pacifica. Just two different models of the same car. And that one over there was the Pinnacle, so, well, we'll see. All right, guys, later.